Hi guys, Mr. Lees here, and I'm doing the 2024 Higher Mathematics paper. We're doing paper 2 and we're just starting off with question 1, where you're presented with a triangle with its vertices A, B and C there, as you can see. And the very first thing they're asking you to do, question A, is find the equation of the median going through B. Well, a median goes from a vertex to the middle of the opposite side. So as you can maybe see, I've called that 4, 4. I'll explain why and we'll go on and get the equation of that median. So here we go. Well, to get the point 4, 4, just go back to the diagram, we need to get the midpoint of AC. And how did you do that? Well, you just add the x coordinates, minus 3 plus 11, and then half it. So that gives you 4. And then you add the y coordinates, a add nothing is 8, of course, half it, you get 4. So the midpoint of AB is 4, 4. So now what we're going to do is we're now going to get the gradient from B to 4, 4. And then we're going to use y minus b is mx minus a. So let's get the gradient, 4 take minus 6 over 4 take minus 1. 2 minuses make a plus, of course, so that's 10 over 5, which gives you 2. So we want the equation of a line with a gradient of 2 going through, and I've picked minus 1, minus 6, that's the coordinates of B, in order to proceed. Here we go. So y minus b, y minus 6 is m2 times x minus a minus 1. So that just simplifies to plus 1, multiply it by 2, 2x plus 2, and let's tidy it up. Y, move that over to become minus 2x. We have plus 2 take 6, which is minus 4. So the equation of that is y take 2x is minus 4. Okay, and so let's moving on. The next thing we're asking you to do is to find the equation of the line L, which is the line perpendicular to BC, right angles to BC, that's going through this line, this point here, C, which is 11, 0. So we're going to get the gradient of BC. We're then going to get the gradient of this line, and that will help us to get its equation. So here we go. So we're going to get the gradient from B to C, as I said. So it's 11 take minus 6. Sorry, 0 take minus 6 over 11 take minus 1. So that gives you 6 over 12, which is a half. Therefore, the gradient of the perpendicular has to be minus 2. Because minus 2 times the half gives you the magic number of minus 1. So we have a line going through with a gradient of minus 2 going through, and don't forget it's going through 11, 0. It's going through that point there. So there we have it. So off we go. Y minus 0, y minus b is minus 2 times x take away 11. Multiply through by minus 2, we get minus 2x plus 22. Tidy it up, y plus 2x is 22, and that's that one there. And perhaps predictably, they're asking you to get the coordinates of the points of intersection of the two lines that we have just got. This, of course, is just simultaneous equations, which is obviously a Nat 5 skill, so hopefully you're quite good at that. So there we have the two lines set up. Perfectly set up actually to get rid of the x's. If you add them both together, the x's disappear. So we have 2y is minus 4 plus 22, which is 18. So y ends up being 9. And then you have y plus 2x. So 9 plus 2x is 22. And so 2x is 22. Take 9, which is 13. Half it, and you get 6.5. So x is 6.5 and y is 9. Don't forget, get them round in the right order. 6.5, 9 is the coordinates of the point of intersection.